Jerry Jr. Are you supot? Supot? Do you have supot? Gaano kalaki ulit yung okra na tuyo? Yung okra sa umaga ganito. Yung okra sa umaga ganito pa siya. Umaga kasi bagong hindi pa siya naarawan ganito. Sa kalaunan pagabandang hapon mga alas 5 ganito na lang yung okra. Ayan, nabalik ko. Ay, nako, like supot. No, Jerry Jr. Supot is like one plastic. It's just one plastic or one cellophane like that. Dami ko tawa, mga thousand. Ay, nako, I don't understand anything, but I am laughing. Well, here it's like funny. We're talking funny things. We're talking funny things. So don't you worry. We're not talking any cellophane. Yeah, Jerry Jr. So I don't think so. Jerry Jr. still here, but I'm just asking if you put your salmon head as a pot or in my God. Ay, kasakit sa kong dughan ninyo. Ambot na lang yun ninyo mga palanggaan mo ay loading tuloy si supot. Supot. Ayan, Durga Pujal. Thank you for flooding. Plug ni Lovely. Sakit na kaya akong dughan. Sis Lovely, og kinatawa. Ganiya pa jud. Kabruto akong spod. Nag-support your collection hot. Hindi naman di. Nag-support your connection host. I have no support. Yes, nag-loading ako. Nag-loading ako. Anong oras na ba? Alas 3. Hala, ilang oras na ako? Tingnan nyo daw kung ilang naka 1 hour na ba ako or naka 2 hours na. Kaya di ko makita talaga dito. Putol-putol kasi yung ano ko. OFL Jerry. If you support, don't use it. Use. What? What is that, Juyang? You put pamada in support. 95 minutes pa, Miss Ina. 95. Loading talaga siya, oy. I don't use it. I can find one big enough. Naglo-loading talaga ako. Vlog ni Lovely, ayan. Thank you, kaayo. I'm going to do a live stream too. Okay, Sir Mike, you go ahead. After this, I will visit you. After my live, I will visit you, okay? Mag-highlight ka na. Lugto na ako. Okay, mag-highlight ako. Malapit na ako mag 2 hours. Malapit na ba ako mag 2 hours? 95 minutes. So, it means 25 minutes more to go. Salamat po, V. Ayan, walay sa pa yan, Sir Mike. I will visit you after my live, okay? Just say hi to your brother. What his name, Sir Mike? Your brother. Just say hi to him. Tulog na ako, di na lumabas si Supot. Na ano na siya, naintindihan siguro niya. lights.